Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix mobile data on iPhone 16 Pro Max. First, let's make sure that mobile data is on. Swipe from the right top part of your screen, then go to the network settings here and click on cellular data. When it's green, it means it's on. And now, since it's on, and if it still doesn't work, try enabling the airplane mode. Then wait for about 20 seconds, and then disable the airplane mode, and try checking if it works now. And if it doesn't, if your mobile data still doesn't work, try force restarting your iPhone. To force restart it, click shortly on power up, then shortly on power down, and then press and hold on the power button. So that's gonna be short press, and then long press. And keep pressing until the display goes off. Now you can release the button and wait a moment. And now, when I unlock my iPhone, my data should work. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.